Thank you so much. Do you have any thoughts on replacement theology?
Okay, help me. What is replacement theology?
It is when the church, most churches today, replace Israel. They take the nation of Israel and call it the church now.
Okay.
So, you know.
I've never heard that called. I thought that was covenant theology.
Covenant theology?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know. I subscribe to this periodical called Israel My Glory, and
Good stuff, by the way.
Yeah, it is. They talk about replacement theology, and
Okay.
there aren't many. You know, most fundamental Baptist churches, I believe, are not replacement theologians. They believe that the nation of Israel has its the covenant that God made with them in Genesis is going to come to pass.
Absolutely.
They have a future. According to God's plan, you know, and so do the Gentiles.
Yes.
Now we're in the times of the Gentiles, and then when Israel is judged after that, during the tribulation, he brings them to himself. And people say, no, you can't, Israel is now the church, and then they don't have to have anything to do with Israel.
Right. Well, you know what?
Which may be why this nation is falling down the tube.
Yes. Let me talk to you for just briefly on this. What you're talking about from a theological standpoint is the difference between something called covenant theology, which, by the way, that's a reformer thing. That's where covenant theology is straight out of Roman Catholicism. And so the guys that came out of the Roman Catholic tradition, that would be, you know, your mainstream Protestant folks. Baptists never came out of that mess, but the mainstream Protestant folks have a lot of that grave clothes kind of stuck to them. The covenant theology that Calvin was a covenant theologian, and so you have all of that still there, a major misunderstanding and not rightly dividing the word of truth. The opposite term to covenant theology is called dispensationalism.
Yes.
You've heard
that's
that.
Another term they use. Yeah.
And that's what I am. I'm a dispensationalist. I believe that the church is one time frame, and the Israel is another group, two separate groups. But see, the other problem with saying, well, now the church is Israel, that does great violence to the promises of the Word of God. Great violence, because God said, I'm going to set up a kingdom. I'm going to make of you a great people. I'm going to give you the land. And if all of a sudden He said, well, you know what? Because you rejected me at Calvary, I'm going to take all that away from you and give it to somebody else. Right. Man, that does great violence to the character of who God is.
Absolutely.
So, in a nutshell. Well, are you a first-time caller too?
No, I've called before.
Oh, okay.
So thank you so much.
Well, thank you.
I appreciate your time and your program and all that you do for the Lord.
All right.
So
God bless you. Have a good evening.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.